Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to be learning how to disable push notifications on Udemy application. To disable push notification on Udemy, first of all, open the Udemy app on your smartphone, and from the home page after logging in, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. Inside the Accounts tab, go ahead and scroll to push notifications and tap on it. Toggle off the button right next to one of these options you don't want to receive. You can go ahead and toggle all the buttons off, and now go to email notification and toggle off the button under email notification as well. Once you have all of these email notifications options turned off, click on save at the bottom, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to turn off push notifications on Udemy. You will no longer receive any notifications from the app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.